You can earn $5 for watching one ad, $10 for 2 ads, and $50 for watching 10 ads repeatedly. I've already earned around $900 from this brand new website just by watching ads. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. To get started, visit the website we'll be using called getpaid2.com. Simply type the name in the search bar and click on the first link. Pay attention to the instructions I'll provide because following them is crucial for making money. The website offers different payment methods such as PayPal, Skrill, crypto, and bank account withdrawals. The minimum withdrawal amount is only 50 cents, which can be easily earned. If you're from the US or the UK, you can also opt for Amazon gift cards as payment method. However, for now, using PayPal is the easiest option. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one for free at paypal.com. It works worldwide. Returning to the website, the first step is to create your account by clicking on Join Free Today and filling in your information. Once you've verified your email, log in with your email and password. The homepage will display different ways to earn money online, but our focus will be on watching ads. To make it easier for you, I'll guide you through the process of earning $6 just by watching an ad. Later, I'll show you how to automate the work and earn from people watching those ads. On the Cash Out page, you can see the referral program and different offers. For now, let's focus on learning money by watching ads. Under the Earn Points section, select Quick Points. This will take you to a page where you need to click the green View button to watch a quick ad and earn points. Each ad will earn you a certain number of points such as 50, 100, or 140. New ads are available every 24 hours and there's no need to download anything. Just watch the ads. It will take approximately 15 to 25 minutes to watch all the ads. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love this video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's move on to referrals. This is an essential part of earning money on the website. When other people click on the buttons and watch the ads through your referral link, you receive a portion of their earnings. To access your referral link, scroll down to the referral program section on the homepage. By inviting people to the website, you can earn a 50% commission from their earnings. For example, if someone earns $100, you will receive $15. Copy your referral link and follow the strategy I'm about to share with you to generate thousands of referrals daily for free. One effective method is to use Facebook groups related to making money online. Search for Make Money Online in the Facebook search bar and select public groups with a significant number of members and high engagement. Instead of simply spamming your referral link, create a post saying you've discovered a website where you can earn money by watching ads. Ask people to comment with info if they want details. Provide an engaging description and consider including an image of payment proof. This strategy helps you avoid being banned from the group and attracts more engagement and referrals. Another effective platform is Quora. Search for Make Money Online on Quora and answer people's questions about earning money. Offer valuable information and include your referral link within your answers. Make sure to give proper answers and not just spam links. This approach can generate passive income as your answers remain visible on Quora and can be found through Google search. Remember, the more questions you answer and the more Facebook posts you create, the greater chances of earning more money. All the methods shown in this video are completely free, regardless of your location. If you need clarification, feel free to rewatch the whole video for a better understanding. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!